How to create a Skype account. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Skype account and find your Skype ID or name. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and simply go to skype.com or www.skype.com. If you have Skype app also, you can simply open that. Now tap on three horizontal lines and simply go to join us. This will take you to your Microsoft account login page. Here, if you have your Microsoft account, you just need to simply enter it. If you don't have it, simply tap on get a new email address. Simply create your new Microsoft account. Next, you'll be prompted to create a password for your Microsoft account. Simply create one and tap on next. Now you'll be asked to enter your name, which is your first name and last name. Simply enter it and click on next. Now you may be required to fulfill a captcha or enter a captcha to prove that you're not a robot. Simply solve the puzzle. Once it's done, it will take you to this page. Simply tap on yes. And you have simply created a Skype account by following the steps. And this is how you simply create a Skype account. To know about your Skype ID, simply go to your profile. Here at the Skype name, you can see your ID. You can also upload your profile picture, add city, country, region, add yourself or add about yourself and your birthday. And that's it. You've successfully created a Skype account and found your Skype ID.